Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to recreate a soft glam makeup tutorial just for you. So first of all, I'm cleaning my skin with a milk cleanser. You can use any type of cleanser which suits your skin. So first of all, it is very much important to skin preparation. Yeah, some people skip this part. Yeah, there are so many people they don't know how to do makeup, and that's not their fault. I have also learned makeup due learning from tutorials and my personal experiences. After that, I'm using a toner on my face and my neck area. As you can see, my skin look hydrated and glowy. So this is because after each skin preparation you have to give some time to the product, then the product will sit on your skin. Then I'm using a pond gel based moisturizer here. As it is a summer season, you can't go for a creamy base. Yes, if you have a dry skin, then you can go for it. If you want a detailed tutorial one, which skincare product you should use and which product which will good for your skin type, then comment down below. Then I'm using a Vaseline here for the lip moisturization, because it is a important part that you have to moisturize your lips also, not for only your skin. Then I'm using a grip primer here, as I have some little pores here on my cheeks and nose bridge area. Then I'm just dabbing it, I'm not dragging the product. Then I'm using a concealer here which matches my skin tone, like one shade darker. So it is very important part that in this video I will not use any foundation. Yeah, you heard right, I'm just using the concealer here for I want to avoid cakey base. I just want a natural glow on my face, and for now, today's 2026, everyone needs a glowy and a soft base for their skin. After that, I'm blending it out, and then I'm using a stick concealer color here, where I need more light on my skin, on my face. So I'm using this stick concealer because I need a very creamy and which will give me a soft base in this tutorial. Yeah, this is a face map guide. You can take a screenshot here. This is for your help. Yeah, so yeah, then I'm just blending it out with a beauty blender, white beauty blender. Important part here is, and that is, you can't drag the product. Okay, you just have to dab the product on your skin gently. And I just maximize the speed of this video because for your help, yeah, if I go for a very long tutorial, it will look very messy. So as you can see, I'm just here the little strokes here, and just give it time to for each blending. Then I'm using a high coverage concealer where I need more light and more highlighting points as my nose bridge and the eye bags. Then I'm using a liquid highlighter here. It is from Swiss Beauty. All product links are in the description box. Gently blending it with my fingers. So I prefer that fingers are the most usable and the very much pretty for the blending. Then I'm just using this highlighter on my neck with the leftover product which is on my hand. Then I'm fixing my brows with a spoolie, and then I'm just brushing it out and using a brow gel here. Then I will set the brows with the eyebrow powder, like light brown shade. Then I'm taking any kind of any light brown eyeshadow you can take, and just put it on your crease line and just blending softly clockwise and anti-clockwise. Yeah, so that's how you have to blend the product. Don't take too much product. If the product comes very much on your brush, then you just have to dust it off and just blend it out properly, very soft in hand and very gently. Then I'm taking a shimmer shade, not very chunky glitter. Okay, it is a very simple and a soft shimmer shade you will find any kind of eyeshadow palette. I will give the link or the link on the description box, then you can check it later. After that, I'm using a cream blush here. The secret tip is I'm not using any liquid blush, I'm just using a cream lipstick color. Then I'm fixing my makeup with a makeup fixer, then just give it some time. After drying it out, I'm just curling my lashes for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm using eyeliner, applying the eyeliner here. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to draw eyeliner perfectly, then you can comment down, as I have a video on it, like how to create a wing liner. Like if you need like I know that eyeliner is a very crucial part, like when we want to do makeup and we all need a right eyeliner, right? Yeah. So after that I'm moving out for the mascara. After applying the mascara, I'm again using the curler, eyelash curler here. So if you want a tutorial like how to do the eyeliner perfectly, then you can just comment down below, then I will create a tutorial for you. Then for the nose, so today I'm gonna create a button nose here. As I have a very sharp and long nose, yeah, I have to contour it with the contour powder very lightly. You can't take any harsh color shade. As you can see, my nose looks currently like button, like the doll type nose. Yeah. Then I'm using contour powder here, very light shade, and then I'm highlighter. For the highlighter, same thing, you can't take any chunky highlighter. You should take a very light and very smooth base highlighter. Then I'm using a powder blush here. Again, I'm using a eyeshadow color here, like the pinky shade. Yeah, you heard right. Then I'm using a gloss here, and yeah, the makeup is done. And yeah, who said that you need like costly products to get a very flawless makeup? You can do it with your affordable products. Yeah. So if you want that kind of tutorials more and more, then subscribe to my channel. I hope you love this look and check my another tutorials on my YouTube channel. See you soon on the next video.